Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city, Kota? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Kota. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of top medical entrance examinations to fulfill the needs of expansive aspirants willing to set a career in this field. Now let us talk about some of the key highlights and the features of this institution. Number 1 being updated study material, interactive live classes, free booklets for NEET examinations preparation, newspaper and magazine analysis, doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and medical areas, regular feedback series, and finally they have a limited batch size helping students interacting with teachers better, which is 30 to 35 students in a batch. Alright, now let us talk about the contact details. The contact number being 7827048964. The fee structure includes for 1 year subscription it's rupees 1,20,000 plus 18% GST. For 2 years it's rupees 3 lakh plus 18% GST, and for 3 years it's 4 lakh plus 18% GST. Also, let me tell you the website of this institution, which is www.toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparation, as this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session for the students. Yes, you heard it right, a completely free of cost counseling session which is very useful for every student preparing for IAS examination. The student can register for this counseling session via the website of this institution, which I'll be telling shortly, so stay tuned. Before that, let's talk about the contact details, like including email ID and the mobile number. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their phone number includes 8800222298. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. If any student wishes to register for this free counseling session, they can visit their website and they can register for this counseling session. Now let us talk about this institution a while. Alright, excellent career guidance and multiple benefits provided with The Hindu Zone, hence you should join them and get access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At The Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the student. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with quick tips and tricks. So what we are waiting for? Go ahead and join this institution. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have LN Career Institute in Kota. LN Coaching Institute Kota, popularly known as LN Kota, is the premier medical and engineering coaching institute in Kota, Rajasthan. The institute was started in 1988 by Sri Rajesh Maheshwari with just 8 students. Moreover, after a few months from the establishment of the coaching institute, Dr. K.G. Vaishnava, the eminent professor of biology, also joined him and made this institute a great success. Alright, the address includes CP6, Indra Vihar, Kota, Rajasthan, India 324005. Their email ID includes info@ln.ac.in. The courses offered by this institute includes IIT JEE Mains, IIT JEE Advanced, Medical NEET Foundation, Pre-Foundation courses. And the website includes www.ln.ac.in. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Career Point Institute. Career Point Coaching Institute Kota is one of the excellent NEET coaching institutes in Kota, Rajasthan. The coaching center was started in May 1993 by Pramod Maheshwari, an alumni of IIT Delhi and a physics teacher. Career Point Kota is famous for providing an excellent education for all category students and higher education as well. Alright, the address being CP Tar Road number 1, IPIA Kota, Rajasthan, India 324005. Their email ID includes info@cpil.in. Courses offered by the institute includes IIT JEE Mains and Advanced, NEET Foundation and Pre-Foundation courses. The website includes www.careerpoint.ac.in. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Aakash Institute. Aakash Institute Kota is one of the prestigious institute and a well-known name in the top NEET coaching institutes in India. Moreover, the institute's main branch is in Delhi. The coaching institute has been successfully showing up brilliant results in NEET examinations. Further, the Aakash Coaching Institute Kota has one of the dedicated teaching staff and excellent infrastructure. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address being PMC Tar, Indira Vihar, Kota, Rajasthan, and the courses offered are NEET and Foundation courses. The official website includes www.aakash.ac.in/Kota-city. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Kota. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.